Hello guys, welcome back to DGA Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to mine free Tron cryptocurrency from this website I'm going to be showing you right now. If this interests you, watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on any updates I'm going to be dropping in this video. Before we get started, I'll be giving out 7 premium courses worth over 30,000 naira to my subscribers. If you're my subscriber or you've not subscribed yet, this is an opportunity for you to do that now in order to qualify for this giveaway. To qualify for this giveaway, come down right here and click on the red or white subscribe button. Click on it to subscribe. Click on the bell icon and select all in order to get notified by YouTube whenever I drop another video in this channel. Click on the like button and come to the comment section and type how to mine free TRX, all tasks done. Once you do this, I'm going to know that yes, you've performed this task, that I'm going to send you the 7 premium courses to you for free. Now the last thing to do is to share this video to your friends on all social media platforms. Once you do that, you've qualified for the giveaway. I have placed the link of this website in the description of this video. Once you click on that link, it will bring you to the site. All you have to do is to copy your TRX address, then you input your password. You're going to be logging in. So once you log in, your miner is going to start mining automatically for you, as you can see right here. So the next thing to do is to update your account. You click here, input your email address, then you input your password, the password you used in your registration. Then you click on save. Once you do this, your account has been updated successfully, as you can see right here. Alright, now you go back to your dashboard. As you can see right now, your TRX is mining automatically for you. But if you want to earn more on this site, you have to purchase a miner. You scroll down and check the plans we have here. The first one here is called the Tick 1. It is sold out for 25 TRX and is going to mine for 1 day. You'll be getting a profit of 31.2 TRX in 1 day. The second one here is called the Tick 2. It's going to be sold out for 75 TRX and it will mine for just 1 day. You'll be getting a total of 93.7 TRX. So these are other plans here you can buy: 35 TRX, 650 TRX. Depends on the amount of TRX you want to purchase here. The highest one here is 10,000 TRX. It's going to mine for 6 days and you'll be getting 5,000 TRX every day for that 6 days. You'll be making a total of 30,000 TRX. Now once you choose the plan you want to purchase, you click on buy now. Once you click on buy now, they'll be giving you a wallet address you're going to use. Now you click on it and copy the wallet address. Once you copy the wallet address, you go to your wallet to transfer the amount of TRX you want to purchase. So let me copy it and go and transfer. Alright, now I'll enter the address given to me from the website. I just paste it here. Then I'll enter the amount of TRX I want to deposit. I'm supposed to enter 25 here, but Faucet Pay is going to be charging me 3 TRX for withdrawal, so I'll enter 28 TRX here. Then I'll click on place withdrawal. As you can see right now, the payment has been sent to the website. You just go back to the site. Welcome back. It took me just 11 minutes for the deposit to arrive here in my account. As you can see right here, this is the deposit I made to this account. So I got 125 VHS to mine for 1 day, for the period of 1 day. So by tomorrow I'm going to be withdrawing from this account after the mining has completed. So this is how you can be able to mine Tron cryptocurrency for yourself. You can go for the 75 TRX, 150 TRX, whichever one you choose, you can go for it. But I advise you to go for the one that you can afford to lose, because I am not a financial advisor. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any updates I'm going to be dropping. See you all in our next video. Stay safe and God bless.